Alright, what's up there, y'all? It's your girl Shay Skyler, and I'm back with another video. So this is a video that I've never done before. I'm going to be installing my friend's 13 by 4 full lace, well, not full lace wig, but y'all get what I'm saying. So I'm going to start off with my bald head cap method. I like to cut around the ears, that way it lays effortlessly. And I take my Got To Be Glue Free spray and I go ahead and blow dry that on a cool setting. That way it sticks to the forehead, and you want to make sure that it blends correctly. Alright, y'all, so I'm just going to cut off the rest of the cap that's not needed, the one that's not sticking to her forehead. Just go ahead and cut that off very carefully, but then y'all can see how we got that bald cap method. So the next step after we finish, we're just going to take the foundation and we're going to apply that to the wig. This makes it a little bit easier if you're not comfortable bleaching knots. You can just take foundation, or you can take like a spray and then you can put it on the lace. That way it can blend flawlessly into the person's head. Next I'm gonna go ahead and try on the unit. I like to take a pen and just trace around the perimeter of where I laid the cap. That way the unit lays flawlessly on her head. Next, I'm just gonna put the unit on. It's not glued down yet, and I'm just gonna cut off the lace so we can go ahead and prepare to use the Got To Be Glue spray, the freezing spray, and that's how we're gonna install her wig. Okay, so we just, want to make sure that we spray that on and that we are melting that baby into the scalp, okay? Because we want this to look like it's coming from the scalp. And I think this just works better when you're melting, like sometimes I like to use glue, sometimes I like to use the Got To Be spray, but this is just, it's less messier and it's easier to take off when you're preparing to remove this unit and you don't want to wear it anymore and you want to put on another one. So after we finish taking off the lace, I'm just going to go ahead and spray that baby again. Y'all can see that it's giving scalp. Look at my friend's face. She said, Shay is hot. You don't have to use it on the super hot setting, but friend said it was real hot, y'all. So after we finish blow drying, we're just going to speed it up. I'm going to go ahead and then put down, because there are certain parts that you're going to have to do over, but I'm going to go ahead and take my Got To Be freezing spray and lay down the sides. Then I'm going to take the foundation again and I'm just going to rub it across the hairline. That way it blends even more naturally. Next, I'm just going to take the areas that I'm going to use as the baby hair, and I like to flat iron them so it's easier for me to lay the baby hairs. It's not like stringy up and hair out of place. I like to flat iron it downwards. And then I'm just going to take my, y'all, I did buy some more bands, but I like to take my elastic band. This is going to officially give you that melt look. Leave it on for about 5 minutes. While I'm leaving it on, I'm just going to go ahead and start, see how I want to style my friend hair. This one apart in the middle with the baby hair. So we're going to go ahead and take my wax stick. I will have this in the description box, everything that I use. And then I'm just going to go ahead and hot comb that baby. Hot combs are your best friend with lace installs. I'm telling you, wax sticks, hot combs, Got To Be Glue spray. You need all this stuff, sis, in order to get a flawless install. Next, I'm just going to take the concealer and apply it to the part, into little areas in the front. That way you look real cute. And I'm going to go ahead and flat iron, sis, because we need that hair sticking and we need it to be straight, baby, because these 26 inches need to give what it's supposed to give. Next is everybody's favorite time. It's baby hair time. Bae said she wanted, ooh, give them to me, suck it to me, sock it to me, baby hair. So that means that we want them big and we want everybody to know, bitch, I'm a baby. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut and style my baby hair so they lay how they supposed to be laid, y'all. All right, y'all, so that's Money Bag T checking out the baby hair. She like, oh my, you cute, girl. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue laying these baby hairs, and y'all gonna see how it looks when I am finished. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to really want. Calm down, take it slow. Say the key, let my come in on me yard, them give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got. All right, bada bing, bing, boom. Add some more foundation. Put a little bit of the spray on that thing. Take that hot comb. I'm telling you, y'all need that electronic hot comb that you plug in. And baby, the hair is giving what it's supposed to give. Yes, babe. That's my friend, y'all. She's so cute. That's my little hair model. Because your girl about to start doing hair. She is my practice baby, y'all. So check your girl out. Check out my Instagram page. It's Shay_Tresses. I'm about to be in the hair game and also selling wigs. So make sure you stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Love y'all. Be blessed. Bye.